stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now.
Hi ladies, welcome to another spring cleaning video. Today we're gonna tackle some winter gear, some jackets, shoes, putting that away, and also tackling some deep cleaning in a kitchen, which I have discovered is definitely my least favorite cleaning task ever. So we are starting in the playroom / mudroom. So this is where we have all of our jackets, shoes, all of that. And on the other side of the room, we have a playroom. So I decided to start here, and I will also clean up the playroom. I do it every few weeks where I get in there and clean it up. Otherwise, it's my kids who are responsible for cleaning it up. But every few weeks, I just like to get in there and do it up to my standards. So kind of setting the baseline and then take care of it for the following few weeks. So clearly that's a lot of shoes. There's only 4 of us, but we live outside of Chicago, and for the past month, the weather was everything from spring to summer to winter. So all different kinds of shoes are there, but I finally decided to take out all the winter shoes, like winter boots, even though the weather you're gonna see at the end of this video is still snowing from, here and there from time to time, but it's nothing that's sticking. So we are no longer wearing the winter boots. So I was very happy to finally get rid of it. But we're talking like mid-April here. So the winter just kind of sometimes takes forever to go away. And if you guys remember seeing my previous video, one of them, I was talking about how this area of the playroom gets very cluttered with mostly Barbies. And as you can see, there's only one Barbie in there because I did put 2 little bins in the cabinet, and it makes it so much easier for my daughter to clean it up versus grabbing all the toys and putting it at the end of the other room. So that definitely has worked out. So it wasn't bad at all on that floor. And if this is the first time that you are joining one of my videos, welcome. My name is Marta. I am a full-time working mom. We have 2 kids, 10-year-old and 7-year-old. And on my channel, you're gonna see just a lot of things about, different types of routines, cleaning, organizing, and decluttering to make the organizing and cleaning much easier. And just a lot of home management from a perspective of a working mom. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe down below. I would love to have you as part of our community. And one of the things I often notice about myself is that when I am on a mission to clean something, I often can get sidetracked. I was just cleaning the bins with a lot of different paperwork for kids. So coloring books, different types of mind brain games. And those 2 boxes of papers, they need to be tackled. However, I really didn't want to get sidetracked with that because I know that would take a while. Plus, I needed my kids to kind of go through it with me. So I just made a note to myself that this is something I have to tackle with them in a couple of weeks when their schedules are less busy. But I know before I would be just spending time doing those boxes right away. And I mean, there is a positive and negative with that. I mean, positive, yes, you are tackling the things as soon as you notice them. But then what happens is, especially for me, when I get sidetracked, then I spend way too much time and I am exhausted by the end because I'm then rushing to finish cleaning up. But Playroom is done. This is another day. I did break it down into 2 days, and then we moved on to the kitchen. I did Google some cleaning products for the oven, and I found a lot of like different recipes, I guess, with vinegar, Dawn dish detergent, and baking soda. So there's different proportions wherever I was looking. So I just went with half a cup of Dawn, half a cup of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. I have seen the proportions being the same for all three, but this is the first time I was doing it, so I decided to use that one. And you're gonna see it worked well in the actual oven, not so much for the racks, and maybe I should have left it on for much longer. And that was a Brussels sprout that I found in the oven that was very crispy, but you could still see like the little edges and different texture inside. So a lot of things that I have found is, to leave it for a few hours. So I think I left it for 2 or 3. And don't worry, my hair did not get into it. I should have pulled it in my ponytail, but I didn't touch it. Although it looks like I did touch all the stuff. I left it, I think, for about 2 hours. A lot of things were saying overnight, and that might have been, what the oven needed more. Because like the glass part on the door didn't get completely cleaned, but I think it did a really good job. And like I said at the beginning of this video, this is my least favorite task, I have decided. I think last time I was complaining about cleaning the fridge, but this just takes it all. It was just so tedious. It took me so long, even though this video is not long at all. This took forever. So let me know when it comes to like deep cleaning, what is your least favorite household task?
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
And as you can see, at some point I decided to put my apron on because it was just starting to like splash everywhere, and I was wearing a white shirt, so that's where the apron is coming from. I decided to make sure that I don't have to then add another task to my list and do some special treatment for my t-shirt with all the grease that was just spraying from the toothbrush as I was cleaning it. I think this mixture also did a good job on those parts of the oven. Toothbrush definitely helped. I feel like this is one of those that never looks, at least to me, like brand new, if you will. It always looks a little, maybe not greasy, just definitely used. So if you have something else that you're using to clean those, definitely let me know in the comments. And also let me know how your spring cleaning is going. Clearly, I have been doing it for weeks now. I did take quite a bit of a break, probably 2 weeks from cleaning. Life just got in the way, and I don't know, I just hit some period of time. I was talking with my friends about it. It was extremely busy at work for me for a long time. And once that really busy season has ended, and I was thinking, yes, as soon as that's over, I can concentrate on my household chores and just kind of, have more energy for that. But almost the opposite happened. And it's just like my body decided, you know what, now that your busy season at work is over, we're just gonna not be productive. And the energy level was not there. And I just decided, you know what, I need to kind of listen to my body and not just take a break, let my body recover. And now I will tell you, I think that was a great choice because I can feel the energy coming back, and me just kind of being more productive and motivated to do things both at work and at home. So I don't know if you have noticed the same thing about yourself, that after like a busy and stressful season, your body just kind of not shuts down, but it's just like, no, I'm done, I need a rest. Let me rest, give me a break, and then we'll just pick up where we started. So let me know how that's going, because that's why I took a break from spring cleaning, which is fine. I mean, like I said, it's hard to even spring clean in a Chicago area when it's just so still kind of hot and cold outside. It's probably they have still a few remaining items on my to-do list for the spring cleaning, but they're just probably gonna be incorporated into other just weekly cleaning activities that I do.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes.
And for my cabinets, I only used basically water with a little bit of a dish soap. I thought specifically for kitchen, it's just, it tends to be greasy, especially like around the oven area. So I think that worked really well. This is, I think, something that I need to do much more regularly, that I am currently. But I think also now that my house is much, much less cluttered and I'm getting so close to being like in this maintenance mode, that's gonna allow me just more time to concentrate or on kind of creating that deep cleaning routine, that's more sustainable, and I actually have time to do it, because I feel for the past year and a half, most of my time was dedicated to just plain decluttering the areas and then organizing it a little bit. And now that I have accomplished so much in that area, now I can kind of slowly move towards developing that good deep cleaning routine, so it's not so dirty every time I actually do it, so it doesn't take as much time as well. And as I was finishing up, I realized that I should have taken off that door. And now I don't know how to, but I know it's possible. But at that time, I was just like done. I was so tired. I'm like, I am not taking it off, because it would have been so much easier to clean. As you can see, my wall is very close, so it was hard to get in there. So for next time, I'll definitely need to figure out how to take it off, so it's much easier to clean the inside of it.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? to change your mind. For love or pity, let me know. Not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing?
So even though it was tedious and took forever, I was so happy with the end result. You know that feeling that after done cleaning, you go into the kitchen and you know it's clean and you see it's clean. It's the best. For any room where I do that deep cleaning in, it's just feeling it's just amazing. So very happy with the end result. Very happy it's done for now because I definitely didn't enjoy it. The next thing that I have to do is wash the windows. But as you can see, this is why I cannot do it yet. On the outside of it, this is snow. I don't know if you can see it. It's like little pebbles of snow. Didn't get into much heavier snow. So even though my tulips are out there, they're definitely still getting snowed in. So waiting for the warmer weather. So crossing off a few items from my to-do list. There's a few more left. But that's for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time.